check the volume. Let's check the volume. Let's check the volume. No, it should be fine. Let's check the volume. No, it should be fine. Let's check the volume. No, it should be fine. Okay, good morning to everyone. Let's see what is happening in Bitcoin. Yeah. So let's start from the weekly as usual. As we can see on the weekly, yeah, we're starting to go down. This money flow might be thinner, might recover from here, or maybe we go down a little bit more. So we have to wait and see. It might be a small drop to 20k or 21k, and it might recover. So let's see the other time frames. On the daily, so we saw that we had a diminishing money flow, and also on the momentum we were going down. So right now we're printing a green dot, but I'm still not convinced that we go up from here. Actually, I expected to bounce from 24,500 or 25k. I'll be looking at this level if we continue to the downside. Let's see the other time frame. So the 4 hour, on the 4 hour we have red money flow. The money flow is in the red, not thick in the red, but still moderately in the red, which means that we can have another wave to the downside. We're trying to go up from here, and yesterday I think we printed a green dot, then it was repainted. We had a small rejection. So yeah, we'll see. It's possible that we go right here, starting to recover from here. But yeah, the 4 hour looks a little bit bullish to me. Also the 3 hour, like this money flow is really good near the zero line. 2 hour, the 2 hour is printing another momentum wave to the downside. Yeah, 1 hour also. So let's wait for this where it will go. Currently the money flow is going down, and that's why the momentum seems to be turning to a downside. Let's see where we go with this 1 hour wave, and after that I might take a swing long position, but first I want to see if we reach this 24,525k target. This is the 45 minute. It looks bearish. I guess some people will be shorting this, but I don't want to short because I think Bitcoin is already in the first stage of the bull market. So I don't know how this is going to play, this short. I have placed a few shorts which were not very profitable, so yeah, I think I'm leaning on the longs, especially swing long, if we reach 25k. Now on the 15 minute, things look good actually, but on the 1 hour they don't. So I'll wait the 1 hour and see some resolution. On the 30 minute we are also trying to go up from here, but we are in a down wave. So yeah, I would wait and play long when I see confirmation on the 1 hour. This is my take in. On the 30 minute you can see that the chop, you can see the sideways action, nothing really happening right now, going sideways. Let's see the other time frames. We're below the cloud, we're below the Chimoku, which is not bullish. Also on the 2-hour we are trying, so we broke the Ichimoku to the upside, then we back testing this Tenkan Sen and the cloud, and this looks promising on the 2-hour. Might be bullish because if we recover from the cloud we go up. Let's see the other time frames, like the 6-hour. On the 6-hour unfortunately we're still below the Ichimoku cloud and the Tenkan Sen, and everything looks bearish on the 6-hour. So I would not long right now. I want to see some clear confirmation or near the Bollinger, the lower Bollinger. At this stage, this position is not okay for a long. On the daily, so I said that we might get supported by the cloud and the Tenkan Sen. Well, we almost reached the Tenkan Sen. This is exactly like what we did, and now we're going sideways in the cloud. Mostly the price action will that is in the cloud will be choppy and going sideways without any clear trend. This is normal when the price is in the cloud. It would be interesting to see whether we head down, whether we break this Tenkan Sen at 25,300, or we get supported by the cloud and we shoot up. If we go above this level 28,700, I think it would be clear that we're going up, and if we go below 25,300, it's clear that we're going down. So right now, deciding time for Bitcoin. So RSI looks choppy, a little bit of bullish divergence but not much, so I'm not counting on any position. Yeah, it looks boring on this chart. Now I want to see the CVD and the funding. The funding is really positive, which is not good for a long, I would say. You can see that the funding is really positive, which I'm leaning to the downside from here, and as you can see the 1 hour is looking bearish, so I would wait for the 1 hour or try to have some short position, but I don't know, I don't like this funding in Bitcoin. If we need swing long, you know, if we are preparing for swing long, the funding should be negative, not positive. So this is upside down. I guess a lot of people are longing from this level, that's why the funding is positive, and this is not good because you know, the price action might dump to the downside and wreck those players, which is mostly what will happen, I guess. CVD has some upside, but it looks choppy. Yeah. Well, that's my 2 cents. So I have a new indicator which is basically tracking the harmonics, and yeah, this is what I can see on the 1 hour. So we had one bearish pattern, it was done. Now let's see what we have. We have some butterfly, anti-butterfly, which is to the downside, and we're almost at target 2. So this might go down because we have some harmonics. Also we have another harmonic pattern cipher, at 27,300, and we can stop is 27,600, and we can go down. Yeah, so also the harmonics are leaning to the downside. Let's see if there are some other harmonics, but yeah, on the 1 hour it's clear. Yeah, so we had this anti-butterfly in the evening, I think, and it was a good short opportunity, but I guess I was sleeping then, couldn't see this one. This is on the 45-minute bearish pattern. On the 30-minute we have also bearish patterns from this level, from 27,200. So yeah, let's see what happens, but okay, yeah, absolutely. I want to see on the 4 hour what is the situation. In the 4 hour there is nothing. So yeah, let's see what happens, but I'll definitely be careful here longing because of those harmonics that are pointing to the downside. So even if we go to 27,300, you can see that there is still another pattern there. So that's from my side. Have a good day. Yeah, see you some other day.